In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to play GTA with keyboard and mouse on the PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, keyboard and mouse compatibility is something that is native to a lot of games inside of the PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. You can connect a keyboard and mouse duo combo on one of the USB ports wirelessly, and a lot of games will support them natively. So as soon as you open them up, you will see your cursor and you are able to type, move, do actions using the keyboard. A lot of players have been wondering if this is the case for GTA 5 as well, either on the PS4 or PS5, because if you tried this yourself, you might notice that they don't work natively. So as of today, is there some workaround to this? First, if we check the official PlayStation Store page for the game, we can see all the features officially supported. You will see PlayStation Plus subscriptions for online play, single player listed, remote play, vibration support and functions on the triggers, etc. However, even if we read through all of these, we will see no mention of keyboard and mouse support. So as of today, is this an official thing? Is there some sort of workaround, or is it completely impossible? Sadly, it is the last option. It is completely impossible to use a keyboard and mouse combo on GTA 5, regardless of the console that you are trying it on. So old gen or new gen, this is not going to work. This is the case for all platforms where GTA 5 is released. The only place where you are able to natively play using a keyboard and mouse is on PC. So if you want to play the game fully using that peripherals, you need to play on PC. It is unfortunate because the game is 10 years old at this point and Rockstar has never addressed this. A lot of players would rather use a keyboard and mouse because of precise aiming, and maybe they are just accustomed to it. So, unfortunately, unless Rockstar addresses this in the future, it is going to remain impossible. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but let people be aware that there is no workaround to this known as of today, and because Rockstar doesn't include native support for those peripherals, it remains impossible to play GTA 5 with those. I hope I was able to answer any questions that you had. If this video answered them, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.